I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
Alright, first one of the day. I have a F-250, just getting the bottom of the doors repaired all across here. Most of it's in this front door. So I'm going to go ahead and start working that out and get this one knocked out here this morning. Being that this is pretty light damage, I'm trying to push most of it out from the backside. I should be able to work the majority of it this way. Alright, on to the next one. I have a Subaru Forester here that got, I don't know if it was tree sap or bird crap or what, but something got on this hood and it ate into the paint. Some of the spots it ate all the way into it. So I'm going to clean this one up, and some of it will probably prep out, some of them I'm going to have to prime up. So I'm going to go ahead and prime up a couple spots on this hood. Most of it, a lot of it's sanded out by prepping it a little extra, but I'm going to go ahead and prime up a few spots. So this door has a light chip guard that goes across the bottom here. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to go ahead and spray that chip guard on it so it's done, so they don't have to worry about it whenever they get in the paint booth. Make it a little easier. I messed up. I should have put paper across here. I wasn't thinking. But luckily this stuff, it wipes off with paint thinner really easily, so I'll just wipe it off that top area there. on to the next one. I have a Mini Cooper here. It's getting a hood repair all throughout this area and a little repair on the fender right here. Small one I'm gonna knock out now.